So I have these UI images for a plumbing website homepage, and task is to create HTML files from it using the Tailwind CSS. So I'll give same prompt to Google Antigravity and cursor using the same prompt and same engine Cloud Sonnet 5 and the planning mode. So let's see who will understand the instruction better and create the better version of these images. This is what the Google Antigravity created. You can see it nowhere matches the UI images which I have provided it. And this is done by the cursor with same prompt, same model, Cloud Sonnet 4.5 planning mode. Which one do you like? Do let me know in the comments. Also, if I am missing anything like in using Google Anti-Gravity, like why it's not following the correct instruction, do let me know in the comments. Let's learn together as Google Anti-Gravity is new, but it's still doing great job.